So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to use Claude to help deploy your website directly to Hostinger, here's how to connect Hostinger connector to your IDE, then deploy your project. So firstly, open Claude IDE and go to the extensions panel. Search for Hostinger connector and click Install. Now click the Hostinger icon in the activity bar, then select One-Click Connect. Sign into your Hostinger account in the browser and authorize the connection. Return to your IDE and make sure the connection status turns green. Now if browser authentication doesn't work, open hPanel, DevTools, then API, and generate an API token. Copy the token, then return to Hostinger connector, open Advanced. Use API token instead, pass the token, and click Connect with API token. Now open your website project in the IDE and launch the AI chat. Make sure your project is selected, then ask Claude to deploy it to Hostinger. For example, deploy this project to my Hostinger hosting plan at my domain. The connector can scan the project, run the required build process, and upload the files to your selected Hostinger plan. Now your IDE is connected to Hostinger, allowing you to use the AI coding workflow to deploy your website without manually uploading every file. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.